Hello guys, this is my study vlog and also after college routine vlog. As soon as I come, I get freshen up and came to kitchen to cook something which I like when my mom have cooked which I don't like. Now I'm preparing pasta which is very easy, tasty and my favorite too.
Lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
It was looking very cute. Let me teach you this recipe. So first let's add butter to the pan. After the butter fully gets melted, let's add some maida. Then we should add milk to the maida and we should mix according to the consistency we require. It's a very long process.
So then, why?
But okay. Now I'm adding pasta. Boiled sweet corn, which plays a main role in this recipe. Some chili flakes. And oregano. As I'm not adding any vegetables, these also plays a main role. And here my tastiest pasta got ready. Whenever I do, I always enjoy eating this. This is my favorite, which becomes very quickly. Okay guys, now let me study for so many hours. Today I decided to study computer science subject. I really don't like to study in evening, that too after college, because I'm always tired. I'm in 12th grade but still didn't decide that should I study in night or in the morning. Whenever I decide to study in the morning and sleep early, I always end up by getting up late. Not too late, but not too early too. As I was vlogging while studying, I was just concentrating on my camera, which was too disturbing for my studies. So I'm a girl who is stressing out for everything in this young age. I feel so, and I'm proud for that. I always have a habit of highlighting things in textbook, but I forgot that I am reading something in notes. I love water content fruits a lot. Okay, now I'll complete my notes.